Today we're at a guy's house and he's got some bees in his dresser. So let's take this back panel off and see what we've got. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Got this barbecue spatula, best bee removal tool ever. Just use a little bit of smoke to try and move the bees out of the way. Oh, there we go. Look at that honey. Beautiful fluoro yellow. That is definitely reminiscent of the paperbark honey in Melaleuca. We can put them in to the box. A lot of sticky clothes in here. There we go. There's a queen. That's the beautiful queen. See if we can get her into this little cage. Beautiful. It's a good chunk. When they're all clustered up like that, they will just tumble together. You can see nobody's got hurt in that mix of bees. Everybody's still fine. As long as you're really slow and gentle, they're usually fine. I've got a bee on my nose. Just get the rest of the wax off.